How to delete your TikTok account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your TikTok account. Now, the process itself is quite simple, so let me guide it through. Simply open up TikTok, head into your profile. Once on your profile, you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, the three horizontal line icon. And then you want to head into the settings and privacy among the three options. So simply tap on settings and privacy. Now here you want to tap on account option. And under account, you'll find the option deactivate or delete account. Tap on the deactivate or delete account option. And here you can see delete or deactivate your account. If you want to deactivate account, you can simply tap on deactivate account. However, if you wish to delete your account permanently, simply tap on delete account permanently option. Now you can easily select the option that while you're deleting your account, or you can skip this process. Then tap on continue, and then if you want, it'll ask you to withdraw your live rewards balance if you have any. In my case, I do have, so it's showing up. But if you wish to delete, on the bottom you can see if you delete your account, you lose the services above permanently. You want to tap on it, and you want to make sure the red check mark is on. Tap on continue. It'll ask you for verification. Verify that it is you, and then you'll be able to delete it. So this way you can delete your TikTok account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.